My name is Roberta and I am the owner of a DMC here in Sweden, Nordic Ways, and I work with the mice industry in all Nordic region. So we are in Kalix at Philipsborg, and I'm running today a workshop to Heart of Lapland destinations. So it's for the GMO and all their members to understand a little bit the mice industry. They will understand a little bit more about themselves as a destination, what kind of identity they have all together. So think individually, but always connect to the network. And then in this way, they will be able to create even better products for the mice industry. You just create better when you understand your own experiences. So when you're part of a destination, you need to understand each other, and you need to understand your neighbor, what he is doing as an experience, and then you need to update yourself as well, and all together create an experience for the destination. It's not only single products on the main place, it's the whole place talking together.
I think it was a great day. Roberta obviously has a huge knowledge, huge experience. Been working with Swedish Lapland now for a few years, and I think it's really interesting.
Well, that was inspiring. I was really sitting there, listening, analyzing, having ideas coming up. So it was really inspiring.
She's helping me to be a better host, I think, and to be a better business in the hospitality business. I've been following Roberta for a couple of years, and it's really inspiring. Like in Swedish we call it frisk fläkt. In English it would be great soul, inspiration and knowledge, a lot of knowledge.